Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be explaining chapter 3 linear equations in two variables from new textbook NCERT class 10. So in this chapter actually we have three methods of solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. So in that one of the method is graphical method. So firstly we are going to learn how to solve the pair of linear equations using graphical method. So let me take exercise 3.1 first question, that is form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. So first we are supposed to form the pair of linear equations and then we have to find their solutions graphically. So let me go to the first question. The question is like this: 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So let us start from what are we supposed to find. So we are supposed to find number of boys took part in the quiz and number of girls took part in the quiz. So let us take for these two quantities as two variables, since we don't know how many girls and how many boys are participating in the quiz. So let the number of girls be x and number of boys be y. So always when we form the equations, first take two variables for the two unknown quantities that we are supposed to find. So here let us go to the statement 1, the first statement. The first statement given here is 10 students of class 10 took part in the mathematics quiz. So there are totally 10 students are taking part in the quiz. So in that some girls and some boys are there. So we know that we have taken the number of girls as x and number of boys as y. Therefore the total number of students is x plus y, and we know the total number of students, that is 10. So we can equate both of them, that is x plus y equals to 10. X plus y equals to 10. That is your first equation. And go to the second equation now, that is second statement. So if the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, so which means girls are more than boys. How many girls are more? 4 girls are more. So number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. That means number of girls are more, number of boys are less. So the difference is 4. So we know that how to find the difference. Difference is bigger value minus smaller value. So here the number of girls are more. So number of girls minus number of boys. Number of girls minus number of boys is equal to 4. So this is your second equation. So this is your equation 1. X plus y equals to 10 is equation 1, and x minus y equals to 4 is your second equation. Now to solve the equations in two variables in using graphical method, we have to find some solutions of each equation separately, and then we are supposed to plot that points on the graph paper, and from which we get the solution of the equations using graphical method. So let us find some solutions of first equation. So to find the solutions of any equation, the easy method is, first we can write the equation for any one variable. Equation in one variable. That means write an equation of a variable in terms of other variable. Like for example, we take y on one side of the equal sign and the constants and x on the other side of the equal sign. So if you transpose x to RHS, we get the equation for y. It is like this. So y equals to 10 minus x. And now if you substitute some values of x, we get the corresponding values of y. So they are the solutions of the equation. So substitute some values of x and find the corresponding values of y. So let me take x as 2. So taking x as 2, substitute x as 2 in the equation y equals to 10 minus x. So replace x by 2. So we get 10 minus 2 equals to 8. So taking x as 2, we get y as 8. So now let me take x as 4. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6. And let us take x as 7. So we get y equals to 10 minus 7 is 3. So like this, you can take any value of x and find the corresponding value of y and tabulate them like this. So the first point is 2, 8 and second solution is 4 comma 6 and third solution is 7 comma 3. So you can take even more than 3 solutions. So minimum 3 solutions are required. So now let us go to the second equation, that is x minus y equals to 2. So again here you can write the equation for any variable in terms of the other variable. Now let me transpose minus y to RHS and 4 to LHS. So we get the equation, that is y equals to x minus 4. Y equals to x minus 4. Now again let us substitute some values of x and find the corresponding values of y. So first let me take x as 6. So replace x by 6. So we get 6 minus 4, which is 2. So we get y as 2 by taking x as 6. And take x as 7. We get 7 minus 4, that is 3. And take x as 8. We get y as 1. And tabulate these values. We get the three solutions: 6 comma 2, 7 comma 3 and 5 comma 1. Now let us plot these points on the graph paper. So now from the table we have the solutions, and now let us draw a pair of perpendicular axes on the graph paper, that is x-axis and y-axis, like this. And now let us write this axis, let us change this axis as number lines and write the values on the number line. So let me take 1 centimeter on x-axis, 1 centimeter as 2 girls, and on y-axis 1 centimeter as 2 boys. So now let us plot these points on the graph paper. So first point is 2 comma 8. So 2 on the x-axis and 8 on the y-axis, and they meet each other at a point 2 comma 6. So the point at which they meet each other, these lines meet each other, just mark a small dot and circle it and write the coordinates of this point next to the point, like this. And now second we have 4 comma 6. So plot the point 4 comma 6 and circle that and write the coordinates. And then we have 7 comma 3. So mark the point 7 comma 3. So here 7 is not visible on x-axis, but it lies between 6 and 7. So each means 1 centimeter is 2 units. So 7 comes exactly in the middle of 6 and 8, and 3 comes exactly in the middle of 2 and 4. So 7 comma 3 will meet at one particular point. Mark that with a small dot and circle it and write the coordinates of this. And then first we need to join these 3 points. With a scale, and then we should mark the other points. So now let us go to second equation. So first one is 6 comma 2. So mark 6 comma 2 and write the coordinates of 6 comma 2. And then 7 comma 3. So 7 comma 3 is already marked, so no need to mark that once again. And then 5 comma 1. So mark 5 comma 1 and write the coordinates of the point next to the point, like this. And now let us join these 3 points also. So by joining all the points, we get 2 straight lines like this intersecting each other at one point. So which says that these two equations have unique solution. And now we need to write the equations. So this is the line, the first line for which equation, and the second line for which equation we are supposed to write. So the first equation is x plus y equals to 10, and the second equation is x minus y equals to 4. And now the point at which they intersect each other is the solution. So where you can write x is 7 and y is 3. So answer is, so number of girls is 7, number of girls is 7, and number of boys is 3. So this is how you need to solve a pair of linear equations using graphical method. So dear students, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of new videos. And if you feel it is understandable and useful, please share the details of my channel with your friends and let it be useful for them also. And one more request, please like, share and comment. If you have any doubts from grade 10 syllabus maths, please share that problems in the comment box so that I can make the videos of the same and post it in the YouTube. And I have made folders in the playlist of my channel for all the exercises of NCERT syllabus. So you can go and watch the videos of all the problems from the playlist of my channel. And I will be explaining also the problems from R.S. Agarwal book and R.D. Sharma book. So thank you children. Please share my channel with your friends. Thank you.